Hey guys, welcome back to TechLog White YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to hide picture from gallery, and if you're opening WhatsApp, if you choose a image means it will show all the pictures. In that list you can hide specific picture. I'll I show you how to do that. Okay, I don't want to see this picture in gallery. Okay, so what I can do, let's open see details, go to details where it's located, download, in download it's located. Okay, let's do rename. Yeah, this is rename option. No, this is not a rename option. Where it's rename option in my phone? Actually I don't know that. Let's go to file manager. Yeah, this is my file manager. Escape, downloads, where it's downloads. Okay, let's go to images. Yeah, this one. Now also I don't have that option, guys. I selected that picture. Now more, rename. Actually see, its extension is .jpg. Now I'm going to change it to something else. umk, sorry, techlog yt. So techlog yt. It's pop-upping some warning. What is that? If you change the file extension you may not be able to open it. Okay, that's fine. My only goal is to hide that picture. Guys, see it, that picture was now hidden from the gallery. And if you using WhatsApp, Instagram, while choosing import or uploading images, you can't able to see that image. Now that image was hidden and safe. How to if you want to see that picture again means you need to go to downloads. Actually this is my downloads. Here I can search techlog yt. Yeah, this one. Again I need to rename to jpeg, jpg. Now again I am going to gallery. That's it, guys. By this way you can hide and de-hide your any photos and videos, guys, not any files. By this way you can protect your files, not only files. File means images, documents, videos. Yeah, this is one of my video. If I want to hide it means simply I can rename it the extension. So video players can't able to find this. They only read the .mp4, .mkv, these kind of extension only they can read. They don't read another format. So kindly use this trick to hide your photos from your family, friends, blah blah blah. Bye, guys. Maybe this video is bore. Yeah, actually the term is not coming out of my tongue. Now I am also started walking. Maybe you don't like this. Soon I will buy good quality headphone so that headphone will cancel noise, so you won't hear walking or moving sound in future days. I will promise, guys, within 1.5 months you won't hear this kind of unwanted noise in our YouTube channel. Bye. Stay tuned for more tech related videos. Tech Clock IT. Tata.